Makoloyo ineklo mauti me kabedo makiloni OMBACI mati Arua City ni merachul ki bod gamente melobo Uganda. Neklo mauti me kono ni ndepiru ngwen me jumia bichele mwaka libachel mia mwan ke piara boru ya chel ichinglo mony me Uganda National Liberation Army no UNLA iyo macheke kare machone. Genwani mon kinekda mapole gen mapol gulo Antonio watin gamente foot payo po pegin documental to kony mo bete ke bod gamente melobo Uganda. Geno berkalo kono yub manipo pineklo mukoman mauti me kare machone yub mobility OMBACI la George Powerlo television Emmanuel Ojoko belti kuno kongwanen matut kebot en logo palwak ikom chul pineklo mukomauti me OMBACI mwaka libachel mia bungen ke piara boro ya chel.
Dano magibinwango masendi ikomge pi oru elifashel kudaka bongwen man pira bora weachel malubiri inge toru loch pa jatela mi Uganda machon Idi Amin giyuak kendo nia governmente umako konyge kara uchulge malubiri kupinymegi ma jukwalo man junyoto man bende ginwango arem matongtong ikomge enu bedu yuak megi mauwok ikare mikwiru oru pira ngwen weario inge timareji mauked lunya libu pa governmente machon pa Amin gitemo ikom dano OMBACI ikare majatela manyen Milton Obote utingo kudu loch iching Idi Amin. NK ikare milega pinipoi kupeko man masendi motimiri oru echa jawang japiskopi mirarua diocese Monsignor Castro Adeti re motel wilega eni pinikom japiskopi Sabino Chano dokin wangu bedupe jawikompa unguma diko dano eni majuluangunia OMBACI Massacre Victims and Survivors Association Aliga Alex Uweshu ikaka dano enigi man ewachonia
who has now gone to rest with the Lord. Mr. the late Achidi Stephen. He introduced me to this group, and so I got interested in the community. So shortly after that he died, and the community asked me to continue the activities that he was doing. Victims.
Ioru enike iyikne mobedu iot legami Holy Cross chapo manwangiri OMBACI nia unguma dikirungo ikum governmente majuluongu Foundation for Justice and Development Initiative ma katich megi madit utie gulu re mauchwako yikne kusente maumitire man bende achan Susan mautie ngati matiu ku Foundation for Justice and Development Initiative eni ubedu tie man enyutuka mai titema gidikire kudu kanikonyo dano enigi man kitema ungu megi bechwako dano mautie kukit masendi ma eni.
Chalu FJDI tichwatie mekonyo mechwalo duan victims. But kama miero oye atirane meneno ni jomukare te lweny nyite awuon mapat guno ni gonye ka gino ni gonye yo manining victims miro nongo ni gonye kachie jomutimo bali kumgi buye ni gen gitimo bali chigo kwayo kija.
Jabir aka Andiga mautie bende ngati achiel ma utie kani yuak ni omako jochule ioru echa ebedu nwango jatim kuloka moko ma ebede timo kuloka etchwalo ingom diera Congo.
Members of OMBACI Massacre, we have really lost our properties, we have lost our dears who are no longer with us. Some of our members got wounded, others have bullets in them up to today. Hear our prayers.
Eyotaru Veronica ma oru pare kawoni tie piera busiel ikare milwiny echa jukile risasi achiel jukili wiye mange jukilu itiende man kudinge kawoni ete kumasendi le man echopungo kani wotu pinikumdong e wotu kodulot nia kai wotu ngo kodulot man echungu pikare malach e poda.
And that one was here at the back of my head. This one there was no bullet, it just passed but left a wound. Which means all in all I have 3 bullets. This one is here. This one is here giving me a lot of time. This one at the leg. Because maybe the muscles are weak. When I move a bit, when the leg is tired, I easily fall down. And that's why I'm moving with the stick now. I could move without, but then I need the stick for support. If I move, the leg gets tired, I easily fall. I've fallen so many times. Now I'm facing problem of back.
jawangdanui ot mokuchik pi Aivu East constituency Feta Joffrey uberutie man e wachunia umaku junenia ju ketu piny moku ikabedu majuji kuye avo maromu pirabongwen wiachiel echa kanipoi pidano enigi.
Have that proper documentation about the history, and then you get access to move to schools to let children know about this massacre. So that it becomes part of them. They keep growing and they become interested to continue learning about this massacre.
P1 Luo TV and Ujoke Manuel ni ai kudiombachi ya Arua City.